Good morning, everybody. Hope you are all well. As the title says, we are working on T4. Unfortunately, found a load more rust. I started off literally just under sealing and actually beginning to start to treat the chassis. Now I knew there was a bit at the front, didn't realise how bad it was. But I suppose that's what you get for poking around and making things worse. But at least I know what it is, and I can get it sorted. Now, it's probably a bit beyond me, so we'll probably have to get a garage to do this for me. I'll show you in a second, but it's the actual, can't remember the actual name for it, but it's part of the outer leg which holds the sort of front slam panel on. And I think they're only spot welded on, so they will need to be cut off, new ones welded on. There's a bit of welding around it to make perfect. I'll show you the situation now. I'll turn the phone around. Okay, so you can see here, it's this inner leg section, and it's really right, it's a bit dark under here to see, but it's all up here, it's completely gone. And again, I've got some stuff up here I need to address. Now I can sort this section out. All of this will need to be done with the leg. And also, again, this is a bodge repair from the previous owner. I didn't know it was here. Apart from I got under it this morning, found it was hanging off. And what he had done was literally, if I can find it, he had literally used a bit of metal like that, one tiny little weld, and then the rest was Bondo. Nothing was treated, nothing, and then that's the end result. So yeah, now I've got to repair people's bodge work to fix that. And this is temporarily, ignore this. This will be, I've actually bought a replacement panel to go in here. Again, this is common, you can actually buy these. They're not expensive, I think they're about 30 quid. So when a new bit turns up, this will be coming off and a new bit installed. But yeah, a little bit disappointing. Didn't expect to have to do all this today. But yeah, you know, if you want it perfect, you're going to have to rectify the issues. So that is where we're at. Not great, but it is what it is. But I'll keep you posted on how progress and how things go, and I'll speak to you all soon. Hi guys, so just a bit of an update on the welding situation. So this was that bodge repair which the previous owner done. That's now welded. That's had a coat of rust primer and now the seam sealer. It will be going black with the body under seal. Turn it around. I've had to, it's not going to show I don't think, but I've had to treat all inside the inner arch. I do need a new wing, but I've treated under there. Now as for this section, if it will show, yeah, so as for this section here, I am going to see how much it's going to cost to get done at a garage. That's just, they'll have the tools and everything to do it, but generally speaking, I've done my bit. I just need waiting for that to turn up in the post, and then I can then finish that section. At least then that's the majority of it done under here. But that's where we're sitting at the moment, until we get the prices from the garage. That's when they open due to lockdown. But progress is better than none. Other than that, guys, please like, please subscribe, and